Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an active subscription, proper permissions, and a resource group in the target region. Once done, open the Azure portal and navigate to Virtual Machines. Click Create and select Azure Virtual Machine to start the guided form. You'll immediately pick a resource group and VM name, then choose the Ubuntu image. Make sure to select a region that matches your compliance and latency needs, so subsequent options like availability and pricing are appropriate. You now configure the core VM settings. Choose the Ubuntu LTS image and pick a VM size that fits CPU, RAM, and budget. Use SSH public key authentication for security rather than passwords. Then configure disks, premium SSD for performance or standard HDD for cost savings, and enable encryption if needed. Next, set networking. Attach to an existing VNet or create one, select a subnet, and decide on a public IP. Make sure network security group rules only open necessary ports like 22. You finish by reviewing the summary and running the validation step. When validation passes, click Create and watch deployment notifications. Once deployed, retrieve the public IP and connect with your SSH key from Cloud Shell or terminal. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to secure the instance. If you can't SSH in, check the network security group rules, confirm the VM has the correct public IP, and review boot diagnostics for serial console logs. These quickly reveal cloud init or disk issues you can remediate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.